Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you an easy, simple, clever, genius DIY way to remove almost any stain. I've done this on carpet, I have done this on mattresses, I have done this on clothes, and why a balloon can be super helpful when you use this method. Now I've tried Resolve on this stain twice and it did not come up from the carpet. I think it's like a slime goo of some sort. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to grab yourself some dish soap of some sort and some hydrogen peroxide, and I'll talk about the balloon here in just a second. And I have that mixed here in the balloon, which is really nice, and I'm going to dump that on the carpet. I'll go ahead and just set this aside right here, and then I'm just going to take a toothbrush and just kind of work it into the carpet fibers just like so. There we go. Blue goo be gone. Oh man, that is potent. That is potent. I'm going to rub it in there just a little bit. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes or so, and we're gonna come up and I'll show you the next step and talk about why this balloon is so dang helpful. Ooh, that is looking so good. I just grabbed a microfiber towel, just got a little water on this, and did a little rubbing here. We can see, ooh, yes, honey. My favorite DIY stain removal technique. Now, why the balloon? Because you're gonna have some excess likely. So you can tie it off. And hydrogen peroxide, you can see here, is in a brown bottle. Because when it's exposed to light, it breaks down the properties that make this so stinking useful. So that's why I like the balloon. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this off. So the next time I have a shirt that needs some stain removal, I have this handy in my cleaning caddy rather than having to lug these large bottles around. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now. YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this. I think you're gonna wanna watch this one. Let's see who's right.